Question number 1. Who was the founder of the Haryanka dynasty? Answer is D. Question number 2. Who convened the first Buddhist council at Rajagriha? Answer is A. Question number 3. Which dynasty succeeded the Haryanka dynasty? Answer is C. Question number 4. Who was the founder of the Shishunga dynasty? Answer is C. Question number 5. Which significant kingdom's power was ended by Shishunag? Answer is B. Question number 6. Who succeeded Shishunag as the ruler of Magad? Answer is A. Question number 7. Who is considered the founder of the Nanda dynasty? Answer is A. Question number 8. Which Nanda ruler was overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya? Answer is D. Question number 9. Which ancient text mentions the overthrow of the Nandas by Chandragupta Maurya? Answer is C. Question number 10. Which of the following dynasties ruled Magad in chronological order? Answer is A. Question number 11. Which Haryanka ruler is known for using matrimonial alliances to strengthen his position? Answer is D. Question number 12. Who among the following rulers killed his father to ascend the throne? Answer is C. Question number 13. During whose reign did Alexander invade India? Answer is B. Question number 14. Which Haryanka ruler shifted the capital from Rajagriha to Patliputra? Answer is B. Question number 15. Which source mentions Bimbisara as a contemporary of the Buddha? Answer is B. Question number 16. Kalshoka divided his kingdom among his sons. This led to the weakening of the empire. This indicates what political system? Answer is D. Question number 17. The Nandas are believed to be the first rulers to maintain a large standing army. Who provides this information? Answer is B. Question number 18. Which of the following statements is correct regarding Mahapadmananda? Answer is C. Question number 19. The capital of the Haryanka dynasty was shifted from Rajagriha to Patliputra due to? Answer is D. Question number 20. Which among the following statements is not true about the Nanda administration? Answer is C. Bonus question for you guys. During whose reign was the second Buddhist council convened? Comment your answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.